and welcome to the Design and Technology Department. I'm Mr. Malifant. I teach Key Stage 3 and Key Stage 4, where across the board we do product design and engineering.
Welcome to the Design Technology Department at Ysgol Maes y Gwendrag. My name is Miss Dukes and I teach a range of subjects from Year 7 to Year 13 in Design Technology.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Leask. I teach Design Technology, Food Technology for Key Stage 3 and Food and Nutrition for Key Stage 4.
This is the central design area. These are the workshops. We have food technology and we have the textiles group. We're very fortunate in this department. We have 2 laser cutters and 3D printers.
Hoffes i creu pasta a rhoi saws a gynwysion.
Hoffes i'r creu cloth roedd yn hwyl i dylunio.
O'n i wedi hoffi wneud coginio gyda risotto a trio pethau newydd.
Hoff project ni yw'r creu y gêm.
I creu y gêm roedd angen dylunio beth o'n i'n mynd i wneud a wedyn torri pethau mas o plastig.
Nod yr gêm oedd cael yr peli mewn i'r tyllau bach a roedd fe fod yn addas i haddygwyr.
Fi'n hoffi'r ffaith bod fi'n gallu creu a bod yn galluogi fi ddefnyddio meddwl.
Fi'n hoffi dylunio a defnyddio peiriannau o ffyrn yr adrodd.